I got a question from one of my subscribers, James, and he asked, "Hello mentor, please, I just started my YouTube channel and I noticed my video has not fetched any views yet after hours of upload. Any advice to that?" Now, although I already responded to James in the comments, I believe I need to explain this more thoroughly in a video. Now, if you are a new YouTuber like James and you're struggling to get views on your videos, or you've been on YouTube for a while but your channel is still very small and you're struggling, like really struggling to get views, then this video is for you, because I'll be sharing with you how to get views on YouTube fast, even when your channel has 0 views and 0 subscribers. Now, are you ready? Let's go. Hello and welcome. My name is Tope Aghomatse, and on this channel I share information and insights to help you scale your business using YouTube. Now, if you're new here and you want more content like this, of course, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Now, speaking of getting views on a brand new YouTube channel, let me give you some backstory. When I started my YouTube channel 17 months ago, in the first 30 days, I went from 0 views and 0 subscribers to 1,630 views and 225 subscribers. Now, not very big numbers, but for those struggling to get any views at all, you will find this video valuable, as I'll be sharing the strategies I implemented in those first 30 days and I still implement till today. Now, first things first, you need to know the different ways to get views on YouTube, and I'll be showing you that in my YouTube studio. Now, these are the main ways to get views on YouTube. We have YouTube search, suggested videos, browse features, cards and annotations, channel pages, external views, end screens, playlist notifications, and all of that. And out of all of this, the 2 main ways to get a lot of views on YouTube is, number 1, from the YouTube search traffic, and number 2, from YouTube recommendations, also called suggested videos. Now, that is when YouTube recommends your videos in the watch next section of other videos. But these 2 do not happen automatically. For instance, to get views from YouTube search, your videos need to be visible on the front page of YouTube. And yes, your videos can rank on the front page of YouTube even when they have just 2 views or 3 views. Yes, I have proof, and you can see on the screen. I took these screenshots way back when my channel was still very young, and I took them immediately after posting them, like within an hour. And as you can see, some of them have just 3 views, 4 views, that's it. So yes, your video can rank on the front page of YouTube with other videos that have tens of thousands of views. Now, the lesson here is YouTube is not partial. If you know what you are doing, you will get views. Now, all you need for your videos to be seen on the front page of YouTube search is the right SEO, that is search engine optimization. Now, if you didn't know, YouTube has always been a search engine, and people are always searching for stuff on this platform. So if you're able to target people who are looking for what you have, your videos will do well. Now, YouTube SEO is something you need to invest in to learn it right, and it also requires a lot of practice. So find yourself a good YouTube coach to teach you YouTube SEO. I also teach it in my coaching program, so you can contact me on Instagram at Tope Aghomatse. Now, let's move on. Now, after getting to the first page of YouTube, the next thing you need is for people to click on your videos so you can actually get the views, right? Now, if what your video is about is something that is of interest to a lot of people, and you are on point with your thumbnail design and the title of your video is really sharp, then your video can literally take off from the search page. Now, before I talk about how to get suggested views on YouTube, if you are enjoying this video so far, of course, hit the like button below and let me know. Okay, let's move on. Let's talk about getting suggested views. This is when your video is shown to viewers on the watch next section. Now, on your computer or your PC, suggested views are shown beside other videos on the screen, or they show on the screen when you're done watching a video. And on your mobile phone, they usually show below the video you're watching or on the screen again when you're done watching the video. So how do you get YouTube to promote your video like this? Your video needs to be a high performer. And by that, I mean your video needs to have a high click-through rate, and viewers who click on your video should also watch and enjoy it. One way YouTube detects whether or not viewers are enjoying your video is by how long they watch your video for. Now, how do you make your video a high performer when that's actually the issue at hand right now? Remember, we are answering James' question, and James is a new YouTuber. So what do we do? If YouTube is not recommending your video yet because it's not yet a high performer, how can you make it a high performer? It's by finding other ways to make people watch your video. And my top recommendation is to get external views. By external views, I mean views that come from outside of YouTube, like, you know, when you post your video on Facebook, for instance, add your link, people click on the link from your Facebook page and come to your channel to watch your video, that kind of thing. Those are called external views. Also views from your website, Instagram, any third-party site that links back to your video is bringing you external views. Now you can post the link of your video on other platforms and ask your friends to support you by watching your video. Come on, you're a new YouTuber, right? You see, those first 50, 60, 70 quality views from those who really know and like you can make a difference, can make the whole difference, and tell YouTube that you have something special on your channel. Now, my click-through rate in the first 30 days of launching this YouTube channel were crazy high because most of my views came from people who knew me, who were interested in what I was doing and wanted to support me. And guess what? The algorithm started noticing my content and showing it to more people. So James, if you are watching this video, you need to promote your YouTube videos for now until you are able to build a substantial audience size where you no longer have to work so hard to get views. Now, I have a video linked in the description area below where I shared 10 ways to promote your YouTube videos. You want to check it out. And if you've been paying attention so far, you would have heard me mention high click-through rate about 2 or 3 times already. And one of the things you need to get more clicks on your videos is a great thumbnail design or great thumbnail designs. And now in the description area, I have linked there an entire masterclass on how to create amazing YouTube thumbnails that would increase your click-through rate, of course, and bring you more views. Now, if you would like to learn how I have managed to keep my click-through rate at a higher level than the YouTube average, then in that masterclass is where you will learn my secrets. By the way, it's absolutely free and you gain instant access. So make sure you watch it as soon as possible because it won't be available forever. Okay, go and watch the masterclass now. I'll see you inside. Bye.